Amidst the vast dust and sand of the Sahara Desert, where the wind blows ceaselessly and the sun scorches everything, a strange and mesmerizing sight suddenly appears before the eyes of those patient enough to explore. This desert, with its wild and mysterious beauty, always holds things beyond human imagination. In a place seemingly filled with only endless stretches of yellow sand, a magnificent mark of nature appears, causing anyone to stop, look up, and wonder about its origin. When viewed from space, amidst the vast sea of sand, a giant circle appears clearly, like a mysterious eye watching the Earth. This image not only impresses astronauts, but also intrigues scientists worldwide, curious to understand its origin and meaning. For those seeing it for the first time, it resembles a giant artwork painted by nature itself. This is the Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat Structure, one of the strangest and most prominent geological phenomena on our planet. With its perfect concentric circles, the Eye of the Sahara has become a symbol of mystery and the power of nature. Many liken it to a gateway to another world, a place holding secrets yet to be deciphered. Hidden deep within the wilderness of Mauritania, in the heart of the vast Sahara Desert, the Eye of the Sahara is like a precious jewel buried amidst the sea of sand. This land is not only harsh due to the climate, but also due to its isolation, making accessing and studying this structure a real challenge for explorers and scientists. However, this isolation further enhances the allure and mystery of the Eye of the Sahara, making it a dream destination for those passionate about exploration. With a diameter of nearly 50 kilometers, this massive structure was only truly recognized in the 1960s, when astronauts first flew over and observed Earth from above. Before that, it was only known through the oral stories of nomads and local explorers. But it wasn't until satellite technology and space flights developed that the full image of the Eye of the Sahara was truly revealed, astonishing the world with its scale and perfection. Its unique formation with concentric circles, each with a different color and texture, has attracted the attention of not only scientists, but also lovers of mystery, art, and history. Geologists have spent years studying to decode the formation process of this structure, from the meteorite impact hypothesis to complex geological activities spanning millions of years. Each new discovery opens up more questions, making the Eye of the Sahara increasingly fascinating to humanity. The Eye of the Sahara is not just a geological wonder, but also a symbol of mystery and the power of nature. It's like a silent invitation, urging us to constantly explore and learn about the secrets hidden deep within the desert. Despite having existed for millions of years, the Eye of the Sahara still stands, silently observing and waiting for those brave enough to embark on a journey to discover the wonders it holds. The desert continues to tell its story, and the Eye of the Sahara will forever be an integral part of humanity's journey to conquer and understand the natural world. Initially, it was thought that the Eye of the Sahara was the result of a meteorite impact. However, this hypothesis was quickly dismissed. Scientists have determined that this structure was formed from magma rock erupting from the Earth millions of years ago. Natural erosion created the unique concentric circle shape. The rock layers have different ages, creating different color shades when viewed from above. What makes the Eye of the Sahara so special is its near-perfect circular shape. Could nature create such a strange structure? Not only attracting scientists, the Eye of the Sahara is also an endless source of inspiration for mysterious stories and ancient legends. Many believe this area possesses a special, inexplicable energy. They tell of strange dreams, unforgettable experiences, and indescribable feelings when approaching the Eye of the Sahara, as if entering a different world. Some believe it's a crossroads of mysterious cosmic energy flows. Others believe the Eye of the Sahara is a gateway to another world, full of mystery. Whatever it is, the strange and mesmerizing appeal of this place is undeniable. Whatever it may be, the strange and captivating allure of this place cannot be denied. Among the most intriguing theories about the Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat Structure, perhaps none is more curious than its connection to Atlantis, the legendary city believed to have disappeared beneath the ocean thousands of years ago. The story of Atlantis has captivated humanity for centuries, sparking the imagination of explorers, scientists, and mystery enthusiasts worldwide. But could it be that amidst the vast and arid Sahara Desert lie traces of a lost civilization? According to the writings of Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher, Atlantis was a large island with a unique structure, concentric circles alternating between land and water, forming a complex system of canals surrounding the central city. Plato described Atlantis as an advanced civilization, rich in resources and superior in construction techniques, but ultimately submerged by a terrible natural disaster. These descriptions have inspired countless searches and theories about the true location of Atlantis on the world map. When viewed from above, the Eye of the Sahara appears with distinct concentric circles, spanning a vast area in the heart of the desert. This reminds many of Plato's description of Atlantis. The size, shape, and even the geographical location of the Eye of the Sahara have strange coincidences with the legendary city. Some researchers believe that this similarity cannot be mere coincidence but could be a clue to a mystery that has existed for millennia. There is even a theory that thousands of years ago the Sahara region was a fertile green land with large rivers and vast lakes. Over time, climate change transformed this place into the arid desert it is today. Some believe that it was here that Atlantis once existed and flourished before being submerged or buried under the thick sand of the desert. The remaining ruins, like the Eye of the Sahara, could be the last traces of a lost civilization. To support this theory, scientists and archaeologists have found much evidence suggesting that the Sahara was once a seabed, or at least a wetland. Marine fossils, ancient seashells deep in the sand, and traces of ancient rivers and lakes all prove that there was once abundant aquatic life here. These discoveries not only add to the appeal of the Atlantis theory, but also open up new questions about the true history of the Sahara and the unsolved mysteries of humanity. The theory that the Eye of the Sahara is Atlantis has caused much debate among scientists. Many researchers dismiss this theory, arguing there's no conclusive evidence to prove the existence of Atlantis. They believe the similarities in shape are just a coincidence. However, some scientists support this theory. They continue to research, seeking further evidence to prove their hypothesis. To date, the mystery of the Eye of the Sahara and its connection to Atlantis remains unsolved. To this day, the mystery of the Eye of the Sahara and its connection to Atlantis remains unsolved. Locals have long whispered mysterious stories about the Eye of the Sahara. They believe it is home to ancient spirits. They tell of strange lights and ghostly sounds emanating from the center of the Eye of the Sahara at night. Legend has it that the Eye of the Sahara is where the gods punished the greedy. They turned a wealthy city into a desert, and the Eye of the Sahara is the remaining mark. These stories, though just legends, have contributed to the mystique of the Eye of the Sahara. They turned a rich city into a desert, and the Eye of the Sahara is what remains. These stories, even if just legends, have contributed to the mystique of the Eye of the Sahara. The Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat Structure, is one of the most mysterious natural wonders on our planet. Located in the vast Sahara Desert, it stands out with its giant swirling shape, like a huge eye watching the universe. From above, this image becomes even stranger and more captivating, leading anyone to ask, why is there such a structure in this dry, desolate land? The mysteries surrounding the Eye of the Sahara have attracted scientists, explorers, and lovers of strange tales for decades. Not just an attractive destination for tourists, it's also an endless source of inspiration for theories about history, geology, and even lost civilizations. Despite much research, many questions remain unanswered, making it one of the most intriguing places on Earth. Some scientists believe the Eye of the Sahara is the result of erosion and geological changes over millions of years. Layers of rock piled on top of each other, eroded by wind and water, have created this unique shape. However, there are also theories that it could be the mark of a giant meteorite that once collided with Earth, or even the ruins of an ancient civilization buried under the thick desert sand. Among the most fascinating theories, one cannot ignore the legend of Atlantis, the mythical city that vanished from the world map. Many believe that the Eye of the Sahara is the remaining clue to Atlantis, once the center of a brilliant civilization with magnificent architecture and knowledge beyond its time. Although there's no concrete evidence, this idea continues to stimulate human imagination, urging researchers to keep searching for the truth. However, amidst so many theories and legends, the truth about the origin of the Eye of the Sahara remains a mystery. Perhaps we will never know the whole story behind this strange structure. The desert keeps its secrets, like a book never fully opened. But it's precisely this mystery that enhances the appeal of the Eye of the Sahara. It's not just a geological phenomenon, but a symbol of the wonders that humans cannot yet explain. Every time we look at the Eye of the Sahara, we feel our smallness before the vastness of nature and the depth of history. The Eye of the Sahara is a reminder that despite the advancements of science and technology, countless mysteries remain out there that we have yet to discover. This is the motivation for humans to constantly explore, learn, and expand our understanding of the world around us. The secrets of the universe and history are still waiting to be discovered. Perhaps one day, we will find the answer to the Eye of the Sahara, or maybe it will forever remain one of humanity's greatest mysteries, inspiring future generations to continue the endless journey of exploration.